I thought I'll try these Sea-Gull Chinese chronograph, all the way from the other side of the world. Let's see if I can get this open with one hand, probably not. There we go, jobs it open. So, what do we get? International edition. Instructions for use. A product card with QR codes. I'll look at that in a bit. Foam surround. And then there we go. So a simple fabric strap, chronograph. Let's take the plastic off. Take the plastic off. How's that come off? God knows. Trying to do this one-handed work probably wasn't the best idea. I'll do it that right. Here we go. That's quite thick. There's a loose bit there. Nope, we almost did. Bingo bango. There we go. So I think it's a 38mm dial. It's quite a small one. And looking at the inside, we've got the nice skeleton back. Doesn't show well just on the phone, but yeah, we'll have a dabble with that, see what it's all about.